Let's talk about adding links to the global navigation or the look and the feel. Notice here, these are child sites. This one is our search site. Now, if you don't like what is here, we can edit this. And let's edit the links. So, company standard, right? I don't like that, so I can click it off. Now, I can also drag and drop another link here. So, let's just move it over here, the global link. Sometimes it's hard to get it just the way you want it. And my mouse is a little slow. Oh, there we go. So, East, West, Company Standard, and Global Search. Now, I can also link to someplace else. So the text is display. And let's just give it something that makes sense. And let's give it a standard. Not sure whether that is actually a real site, but we'll assume. Oh, I've got a mistake. HTTP. There we go. So reference site, global search, company standard. And if you're very happy with all of this, we can delete as well. Now, these links can be made automatically, or these links can be adjusted after the fact. Now, I am going to leave this page and set these all. Right. Now, if you have made a site, and we're going to make a child site, and have forgotten to do this, what do? Well, let's start this out by going in to our site contents, and we're going to make a new child site. So down here, new subsite, we're going to call this Central Region and Central. It'll be a team site. Same permissions, and now notice, don't use the link bar from the parent site. When I made these earlier, I've said yes. So let's create. And we're in Central, but how do we get back to our home page? How do we get to East? How do we get to West? Well, let's turn that on. Let's go back up to the cog or the gear, and we're going to go down to the settings for this site. And over here, we have navigation. So, structural navigation below the current site, or display the same as the parent. I'm going to say that choice. Now, the current navigation is structural. I can say show subsites, or I can say display the same as the parent. We're just going to say OK. Wait a moment, and there we are. So we're at Central and the site settings. And we're back to Contoso, and we see our choices. So that's how we work with navigation.